Greetings, I'm going to present you the mind control bionic arm with sense of touch. In short, it's a replacement for actual hand with the mind control bionic arm with sense of touch with the intuitive control and tactile feedback. Our team constitutes of 5 members ranging from biotic department, robotic department and the electronics department. Let's talk about the market insights. The prosthetic market is projected to reach 1.3 billion US dollars by 2032. It has a growth rate of 5.1%, but it's actually for myoelectric prosthetics, and they are particularly costly and it's very painful for the users of its high invasive nature. So the problem with the current prosthetic is that it doesn't have the intuitive control, lacks tactile feedback, lacks dexterity, and it's very much invasive in nature and highly costly. So the solution is a low-cost, non-invasive, open-source, mind-controlled bionic arm with the integrated sensory feedback. Our main selling point is non-invasive, low-cost, and the open-sourceness of this project. Right now, we have achieved 62% accuracy, and we aim to achieve 90% accuracy with this. 62% accuracy in the sense of AI modeling. The whole process is being now modeled and programmed with the help of MATLAB Simulink, since it has a great set of features for everything, including the pre-processing of signals and etc. As of now, we have achieved maximum of 62% accuracy with the 8 different classes. We aim to achieve 90%, up to 90% at least. And here is the confusion matrix. The modeling was done on 23 different AI models, of which ensemble model, the model number 14, yielded the best result. So our business model is more of an open source model. We are developing the product in the open source domain, and we are just patenting the core idea just to claim the authorship. It's more of a Linux or Android based business model, as this product is for the people benefits. Thus, we believe in open sourcing the development cycle is a great way for the larger acceptance and the robust development. Why open sourcing the development? Because it directly addresses the user's need and ensures quality and availability. We may license some companies on our behalf for the production when the product is actually market ready. As the project is currently in the pre-prosthetic development stage, thus compliance with the national regulatory guidelines would be addressed at the appropriate timing when it's the hardware design or the prototyping phase. We would be filing patent from our university just to patent the core idea and not the whole process. Since the product is in development stage, thus it has not participated in clinical trial. So in short, our product is non-invasive in nature. It's open sourced, thus it would have a robust development. Right now we have 62% accuracy, and it would be actually accepted by masses. As this technology is an inter-platform technology, thus mind control part in various areas would be the mind control part would be actually useful in various areas like operating or controlling the computers or controlling the machines. It would also revolutionize the prosthetic tech, as it would be a low cost, non-invasive, open source bionic arm. Thank you.